Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energy, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading, so that will follow this general energy, guys, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Knight of Swords in reverse, King of Cups, and Death in reverse. So Sagittarius, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are feeling stuck today. Maybe you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are ready to jump into action, and you are always working, doing your best, putting in a lot of efforts in your work situation or even in this relationship. You are a very active person, but today something has come up, something is making you tired, and you are just, it may be a mental tiredness you have or physical tiredness for some of you. You may be sick, guys, so you don't want to do anything, or you don't want to make any important decisions, or maybe you don't want to do any work, so you are taking time off from work. Maybe for some of you, you just want to rest, relax yourself. And Sagittarius, I see that you are a wise and understanding person who cares for the people around you and protect the people around you. And today you are tired. Maybe the reason, maybe you need to take care of someone. Maybe someone is quite sick or suffering from some illness. You need to take care of them, guys. And that may be the reason for worry or some confusion that we see here. So you are worried for this person, and you don't know how things will go or how things will change today in this situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are taking a day off from work, taking rest maybe, or thinking what should be the next step, how to rectify the situation. And also it may be a situation in this relationship, guys. Maybe this person sees you as they are simply envious of you, envious of the way you are, and they are jealous. They see you as their rival, and they are feeling inspired or influenced by seeing you, and they want to live like you. So they are working hard, maybe, guys, thinking of you as the benchmark. So they want to reach you, they want to be like you, so they consider you as a rival, and it may be a positive thing here, guys. So they do not hate you, but they see you as an inspiration for themselves, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Strength. Just like I said, this person sees you as a strong person whom they can rely on, and you are their greatest inspiration, guys, Sagittarius. So this person wants to be like you, wants to live life like you, helpful, caring, and protecting. And they simply love the way you are, strong hearted, determined, and ready to do anything for the people you love, guys. Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Page of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, there are certain things going against your expectation, but it may be something small, guys. You need not worry. Things will fall into place, guys, because we see that you are someone courageous and strong-willed, determined. So that is the reading for your today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, guys, it is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the Children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this a small lifetime. This is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.